Hello everyone, my name is Oum Saokosal. This is Android Studio 2017. In this video, I will teach you how to use bottom navigation bar in Android. As you can see the icon Home, Dashboard, Notification. This icon is part of the bottom navigation bar and it is part of the material design. It's a very cool design, but it requires you to include the Gradle version 25 and you have to use the Android 6 at least. Okay, let's go to Android and I will teach you how to do that. So first just click on the start project and just give a name. Just call bottom nav 1 and then the company doesn't matter, just the name is okay. And here is very important, you have to choose at least API 23 Android 6, otherwise you cannot use this feature. Okay, and click next, and now you can use bottom navigation activity and next, and just give the main activity name. And the next one is the emulator. Now I use Genymotion, so you have to install the Android 6 support device. If you don't have that, just click on add button here and you can use the Samsung Galaxy S7 or S8 and you can install a phone that has the version 6 here, so API 23 here, and Google Nexus 6 or Nexus 7 is fine, or maybe HTC, whatever you want, but now I use Samsung Galaxy S7, okay, 23, so you have to start that. Now I think I have already started, okay. And here when you ever start this project, you will see this error because you have to include the Gradle version 25, okay. So go to Gradle, so you have to change this number to 25.0 and this one also 25.00 and click on the button sync now. Okay, now the sync is complete, but you still see the red line, but it's okay. Just click on this and you click on the disable inspection. Okay, it's okay now. So go back here and click on refresh here. Now you can see this nice bottom navigation bar, and if you have any problem, maybe it's because of your library or maybe you need to install according to the error message, but for me now it's okay, so run it. So choose the Galaxy S7 now. Okay, there you go. This is the bottom navigation bar. Click on the icon, see that? Very nice. Okay, so we will add a fragment here. Remember, anything in the bottom navigation bar is not an activity, it's a fragment. Okay, so before we do anything, just go to the framework and we see what is going on here with the template. So here is one activity main. This is the activity main, and now you go to the menu here. This is the navigation that you see. 3 icon here. You go to text. You can see it clearer. So navigation home, and you can change the ID, and you can copy and paste to create another item. Okay, let me create another one. Just create here. And this one I would say setting, okay, and maybe the icon, and you can change the icon as well. I think I want to use the Android, so start with the add Android and draw wall, and here I want to use setting, so do I have setting here? Control space. Okay, I don't have the setting, so I just use search here, maybe, so I just change to search. Now, just my example, nothing special. And here the title, I want to change to search as well. Okay, so now the ID is search. So that's all for the UI. So let's go to Java. So this is the main activity. So now you have one method on create but you have this anonymous method here for the bottom click, for the icon click and the bottom navigation bar here. So it's nothing special here. So if you want to add anything, just add in here. So they use cast, so I just call cast.id.navigation_search. Okay, this is my new one. So in the cast you have to return true. Okay, and then here you can add anything you want. So I don't want to add anything, just run it first. And remember, you use the emulator, Galaxy S7. So it needs 4 gigs of RAM of your computer, so it would run very slow in a long period of time. So if in case you have some problem with the emulator, you just restart it. Okay, now I have the search here. Okay, because now we have 4, so it doesn't look very nice. So the icon, it looks like this, but it's fine now. Okay, so it should be 3 icons, but 4, you can see that it's a little bit tiny here, but it's okay. So now let's create a fragment. So to create a fragment, just right click and choose new, and now fragment blank, and uncheck these two, we don't need that. And then let's call search, just my example, nothing special. And then in the fragment search here, I just delete this one. I want to use the constraint layout, so right click and choose convert to constraint layout. Okay, in case you don't know the constraint layout, maybe you should look at my tutorial in the playlist or in my channel, Okay, and now I just grab maybe I just grab date time. It's very easy. Okay, like this, and click on the constraint as well. Okay, so now I want to open it, so go back to main activity, and here in my search, just call search fragment. Yeah, search fragment, new search fragment. Okay, fragment manager, and then manager, and get fragment manager. Okay, but it has some error here. What is it? So just click here and change to Android app manager, because there are 2 fragment manager, so just use like this. Now manager.begin transaction, and you want to replace the search fragment with the layout. You have to go back to activity main here. So here is the layout, the frame layout. So this is content. So usually I put layout in the end like this, easy to see. Okay, so maybe I need to delete this message. I don't want it, but there will be some error here, the message here. So I should delete this one as well. And this one I don't need it now. Now it's good to go. Okay, and here the content main, the frame layout content main here is where all the fragment will go into. Okay, remember that. So you want to replace that. So here all.id dot content main, and now the search fragment. Okay, and commit. Okay, and actually there is a third parameter here, but get tag. Okay, in case you want to get it back, you can call it by the tag. Okay, so I think that's all. And here there's some message error here, so we delete the text message. So okay, let's test it. Click on the search. Boom, now you can see the clock. Okay, so it works well now. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.